A big problem that people have in business is that they've got shiny object syndrome. Basically, what it means is they can't focus on one thing long enough to see results. They're jumping from business opportunity to business opportunity every minute, basically. One day they think, oh, they should do day trading. Then they try, they lose a bit of money. They think, oh, it doesn't work. Then they think they need to do affiliate marketing, then dropshipping, then crypto, whatever. It never fucking ends because all they obsess over is the money. But if all you obsess over is the money, that's pretty fucking miserable. It's like getting any job that you can just for the money. Like, think about it. You're trying to avoid working a 9 to 5 you hate, but then you're trying to start any business just for the money. Like, you're trying to build yourself another cage. You can absolutely make money doing the thing that you love, I promise you that. And in fact, you'll make more money doing the thing that you love as opposed to doing something that you think you have to do. Because if you do the thing that you think you have to do, you already work a job you don't fucking like. Do you seriously believe you've got the energy to do another business that you're not gonna fucking like? No, you won't have that kind of energy. Instead, you'll go watch Netflix. But even before shiny object syndrome, the number one killer of dreams and businesses is that most people just don't start. Even people watching this video right now. First, most people don't even watch past 30 seconds. And that's true for any content creator. And then out of the people who do watch the video, most people will not watch up until right now. They won't. They'll have clicked off by then. They'll go watch some bullshit entertainment content and wonder why they're still poor. They'll go watch a top 10 ways to make passive income video. Believe me, you do not want to be the person who thinks about it. You've thought about it for too fucking long. I've done hundreds of sales calls with people who are more ambitious than the average person. All the people who always say, I want to think about it. Well, guess what? They keep thinking about it forever. They never get started. I've had people reach out to me like 6 months, a year later, and they tell me, fuck, I wish I had done it because nothing changed. Yeah, right. Nothing changes if you don't do anything different. Like, expecting a different outcome from the same actions is the definition of madness. And everybody knows that, yet you keep doing the same fucking thing, which is nothing. You don't start. You keep overthinking, overplanning. What most people don't realize is that when you tell yourself, I won't start tomorrow, it's a trap. But the reason why it's a trap is because tomorrow, when you're gonna wake up, you won't be the exact same person who went to bed. You will not magically be changed. It's not gonna be easier tomorrow for some fucking reason. It's gonna feel exactly how it feels right now. And tomorrow you'll say, oh, I'll just start tomorrow. I'll start Monday. I'll start on the 1st of January 2027. You're always gonna keep putting it off. But guess what? On January 1st, 2027, you still won't feel any different because nothing changes until you change. And the longer you wait to get started, the more difficult it becomes. It's like when I was a kid, we had this shitty pool, it wasn't really a pool, and every time I would just stare at the pool, at the people in it having fun, and I couldn't just get myself to go in it. Like, I wanted to, but I just couldn't. And the funny thing is that sometimes I would get inside the pool, force myself, stop thinking, and then I'd enjoy it. But all the times I didn't do that, all the times I stared at the pool and just waited, I just couldn't get myself to do it. It took me an hour to get in the water. Why? Because the longer I kept overthinking, the more difficult it got. Right now, that's exactly what's happening for you. You still haven't started that fucking business. Because what? There's no fucking reason. If you don't start, you're gonna fail. I've heard so many people say, oh, I don't start because I fear failure. If you don't start, you guarantee failure. But it's safer to be in this phase where you're just thinking about it rather than taking action and getting rejected. Realizing that, oh shit, this is harder than I thought. But you don't ever become successful without going through that phase first. And the thing you have to understand is that successful people don't have less fear than you do. They simply have more courage. So it's up to you if you're gonna just keep passively consuming content or if you're actually gonna roll up your sleeves and get started. If you wanna discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.